Oh, okay. Go ahead, officer. Oh, yeah. Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honors. Good morning. Good morning. Dominique Watt?
Yes. Ready, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. All right, Ms. Watts, now you gonna have to, I know, are you having trouble hearing?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Other than that, and you gonna have to take that gum out your mouth for me, okay? Thank you. Now calling the matter of people versus Dominique Watt. Ticket C808550, one count operating while intoxicated, high VAC. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May I please, Honorable Court Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P71733, on behalf of Ms. Watts. Ms. Watts, can you please state your name for the record?
Daniqua Watts.
Your Honor, Ms. Watts has been made an offer to plead to the amended charge of operating while visibly impaired. She would like to take advantage of that offer. Your Honor, that's it. She would like to take advantage of that offer. Ms. Watts, you're gonna have to be still.
Yeah. So Ms. Watts,
Ms. Watts, you have to be still.
On your,
I was trying to find a quiet spot.
okay, on your phone, at the top, do you see a button where you can make it a little louder in the Zoom app?
Is it louder?
Yeah, I can hear you. All right, Ms.
Okay.
Watts, if you want to take advantage of the offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date on or about December 1st of 2021. At that time, were you in a Dodge vehicle in the area of Minden Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were in that vehicle, were you under the influence of alcohol, which caused you to be impaired?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, were you you were driving or in a vehicle, is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, satisfied. And you're already satisfied, counsel, correct?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of operating while visibly impaired.
Ma'am, I'm gonna set this for a date of sentencing on. Oh, yeah. 12/9/2022. Does that work for you, attorney?
No, Your Honor, I'm not available on November the 9th. Can I have a date after that date?
I can give you a date after that date, after November the 9th. Let me see. I'm at, not November, this is a December. I apologize, I'm not here on November 9th. December?
Stop. December the 9th? That will work.
Okay. Give me right dates, okay. I just got confused. Thank you. December the 9th, we're gonna do it at 8:30 a.m. Ma'am, I need you to call probation services so that they can get your report done for us. You ready to take down the number?
Your Honor, I will text the number to her. Can you give me just one moment?
Okay.
I'm saving the date in my calendar so I don't make any mistakes.
Thank
Call
you.
it
I really
today?
appreciate- Yes.
Yes,
call
you're
it
gonna-
today.
You can give them a call this afternoon, Ms. Watts.
Okay, yes. You ready to take the number?
One moment, Your Honor. Okay, I'm ready.
313-965-3414.
3414.
Yep, and let them know what day your sentencing is, okay, Ms. Watts?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
December the 9th.
All right.
I'll send all of that to her. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Ms. Watts, you can log out.
You can
Okay.
log out, yes. All right. Yusuf? Has the officer?
He gave me one for, but she had another two.
Why?
White.
No officer for this?
For there.
Uh-huh.
So, we have to interpret for right there. Right there. Right there. Give me that officer.
I'm good on this one.
He gave me one.
Word down. Stay free. I have you, sir, interpreter, but did they free?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, you're addressing me.
Yeah, no, I said I have you, but I said they may have frozen because their screen hasn't moved.
Okay.
Your Honor, did you call our case? I didn't hear.
No, I could tell that you froze. So you froze for a minute, so I didn't call anything at all, okay?
Sorry.
All right. All right, so how I'm going to do this before I start the record is that I'm going to call the case and then I'll swear in the interpreter and then we'll move from there, okay? Everyone, please be mindful, we do have an interpreter, so make your sentences shorter. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tala Warda. This is ticket number P1192-186. This is one count soliciting, receiving, and admitting. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Hi, Summer Court CP number 68565 on behalf of the defendant. He's with me in my office via Zoom.
And good morning, Your Honor. My name is Yosef Hermes, qualified court interpreter in the Arabic language, here to assist Mr. Talal Warda.
All right, can you please raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to translate the English to Arabic and the Arabic to English language to the best of your ability, sir?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Can you tell them how we opened up court, please? For
Okay.
this case?
Yes, okay. قالت بدت أنا المترجم لإلك يوسف هرمز سيد وردة. قالت القضية اليوم ضد السيد وردة، الشعب ضد السيد وردة، ورقم القضية SP 11921861. وبدت قالت مين هو المحامي؟ المحامي السيد هيثم القدسي، ذكر اسمه، وأنا أخذت القسم لحتى أترجم لك اليوم. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Wardog, can you state your name for the record, please?
سيد وردة، ممكن تقول اسمك للمحكمة؟
طلال وردة.
طلال وردة.
Today is the date and time set for a bench trial.
اليوم هو موعد جلسة لحتى يكون عندنا محاكمة من قبل القاضية.
How do you wish to proceed, counsel?
Your Honor,
كيف تريد تبدأ بالقضية السيد المحامي؟
like you said, it's scheduled for trial. The officer failed to appear. I'm asked for dismissal without prejudice, Your Honor.
أوكي، أنا نعرف أنه الشرطية ما حضرت الجلسة، فنطلب من المحكمة أنه تلغي وتسقط القضية ضد موكلي من دون تحيز.
The time is now 10 a.m. No officer having appeared. The court is going to grant your request and dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
الوقت الآن الساعة 10 صباحا والشرطية لم تحضر لحد الآن، فأنا سأعطي لك طلبك سيد المحامي ونسقط ونلغي القضية لهذا السبب من دون تحيز. شكرا جزيلا.
Have a nice day, everybody. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Interpreter. You have a great day too. I tried to get you out of here as quickly as possible. I got an hour limit though.
I appreciate that kindly.
No problem. You have a great rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Because you had somebody with Nichols.
I didn't get to that.
Yes, you did. That was the 5. No, that Nichols was with that. Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That wasn't.
Okay, so Shelby.
Okay, and what's on the screen? Oh, let me see that. Let me show you.
I'll start it right, 'cause I don't know.
Here. Nope, I'm done. Tapping out.
John put. John put.
Look at my face.
He put one here, but it's.
It's because it's 257.
Oh, that's a mistake.
Uh-huh. think you snuck that fifth one in.
No, I didn't. I
Yes,
did
you
mine.
did.
It was in there. Okay.
I think you snuck it in there.
No,
I think you snuck it in.
no, it was in there. I may have one.
Nope, I'm leaving.
Nope, you haven't.
Mm-mm. She been mean to me, so
Let me fax these over right
there's no
here.
reason for me to stay, 'cause she been mean to me. See, she ain't paying no attention. She got a little friend over there now. She got a friend now, so she don't even pay us no attention. You know what? I'm tired of this girl power right here, actually.
Good morning, Mr. Goss. I'm preparing a text message. I'll send it to your cell phone in within the next 2 or 3 minutes, sir.
Okay,
Okay, I got.
I wasn't asking for work now.
No, I'm pledging cooperation on these particular individuals.
Okay.
Madam Clerk, is there a prosecutor around?
Yes. Mr. Clark, he's in the courtroom right now. He can hear you.
Is there an offer on Wyatt?
Eric Wyatt,
Yes.
Ida. Home for training. that
Ida?
looks like offer, yeah. So then it's
Okay.
sort of
Any
a-
sentencing? Any sentencing stipulations or just Ida?
Unless you want to look at it, Dante, you want to look at it? It's order. Hold on a minute. I know.
Thank you.
Hold on a minute. He's gonna look at it for a second. Okay. 9-month delay sentence, stay away from legends. No contact with legends.
Great. Okay. Ida, though?
No hide up, because we'll delay it and dismiss it.
Got it. So, okay. Let me talk to him real quick.
Okay. Put it on mute. I don't have it. Oh.
Okay, we are ready on Wyatt for the plea.
I gave you early today. Give me that. I forgot I had extra.
Yeah, we do. You guys are extra wild. I just want to bring them out as they had, we had contact.
So he did. So maybe she's.
Okay. All right. Derek White,
Yes.
now calling the matter of the people versus Derek White. This is ticket P 1289148. One count of disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Peter Torres, P 68242 here on behalf of Mr. Wyatt.
Mr. White, can you state your name for the record, please?
Derek Wyatt.
All right, and I also have the officer today because today is the date and time set for the bench trial. Officer, can you state your name for the record, please?
Timothy Radel.
Say it one more time for me.
Timothy Radel.
Thank you so much. Today's the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. How are we proceeding, Attorney Torres?
My client is going to accept the offer wherein he will plead guilty to disorderly person, will be asking for a delayed sentence for 9 months, where it will be nolle prost after that.
Is that right, Mr. White? That's how you want to proceed today?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? All
Yes, ma'am.
right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Wyatt, did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your right?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone force you or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of December the 12th of 2021. Were you in the area of Congress and Bovian in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were there in that area, did you act in a disorderly manner, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to disorderly conduct under a delayed sentence. All right.
Bless
It's
you.
gonna be under a 6-month delayed sentence, I'm being told right now, instead of 9 months, okay, Mr. Wyatt?
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am.
prosecutor, Mr. Wyatt.
Thank you, sir.
Thank your attorney, Mr. Wyatt.
Thank you, Peter.
All right,
Thank you.
Mr. Wyatt. Oh my, I don't know what to say. I'm gonna give you the option. You can either do community service or you can pay a fine. Which would you like to do, sir?
Community service.
All right. I'm going to give you 40 hours of community service. You should be more than enough time to do that in 6 months, okay?
Yes,
40
ma'am.
hours of community service, no new conduct like this, and the court will dismiss this matter, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Dismiss it. No new tickets of disorderly conduct. Shouldn't be getting tickets anyways, okay? 6
Understood.
months, 40 hours of community service, and then this case will be dismissed, okay?
Yes,
And stay
ma'am.
away from Legends. You can't go to Legends either right now, okay? You have to stay away from Legends.
Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am. Was the option to pay a fine or community service? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear very well.
Yes, it was, Derek, and I was going to mention that. Would you rather pay a fine to the court, or would you rather?
Yeah, that would probably just be easier if I could do that.
Road less travel. Usually I don't give options. Usually I just give community service.
I'm sorry.
He'll pay a fine, Judge, and I appreciate that option for my client. Thank you.
Listen, I was about to say, I'm tempted to just leave it at the 40 hours. Why don't you want your client to do community service? You know, we can't always pay our way out of situations. Sometimes we have to do something else too.
Ma'am, if
It was
you
a-
prefer I do community service, I'll do it.
All right. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna leave it at community service, okay, sir?
All right,
I know
that's
we're
fine.
at this option. I'm gonna leave it at community service, okay? I'm gonna give you a number
Okay.
to contact, okay?
Okay.
You ready?
1 second, please. Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
313-965-8130.
Okay, 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 got it.
Okay? All right, 6 months. No new tickets. We'll have a review. You have to stay away from Legends too. There are many other establishments you can go to, okay? Not Legends.
Yes, ma'am. Not a problem.
We'll have a review on this on April 18th, 2023, 8:45 a.m. As long as you turn in that community service, sir, this case will be dismissed.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. All right. Have a fantastic day, okay?
Thank
You
you.
too,
You
Judge.
too.
All right. Bye-bye. Thank you, officer.
Your Honor, I've never, I have a quick question, if you don't mind.
Okay. I
I've
don't
never
mind.
been subpoenaed for disorderly conduct yet. Is this still just a regular plea? That like when I write my appearance notice, do I just put plea?
Yes, just put plea on it. Yes, so just put plea. It's just like a plea. It's just a misdemeanor. So he did take a plea though today instead of having a trial. Yep.
I got it, all right, I appreciate it. Do you
No
need
problem.
anything from me, Your Honor?
Nothing else from you. Just be safe, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Bye-bye. And I don't get that many hours. I have to see if I'm putting my, I'm like, I get 40 hours. That means from now, 6 months now, you can go every weekend. Just on a Friday or Saturday, or you can go a couple of weekends, once a month. You can go all day long.
Especially now, you know, they doing the cleanups and stuff with, Cody High School and, they're always.
It should be under 8:40 for Friday.
I had to see what time.
Yeah. Okay. I do that for they're in public. Where I'm all like, you're in- you did something wrong, but I'm fine. You way up the time? Now they start to like- I'm like, oh, okay, I'm like, you can do something for the home, right?
No. Okay, you said.
It's like, you know, come on now. Who gonna win? That's what I tell them, who gonna win? You would never win. Let me tell you what, they got other things.
That would be the-
Always got it.
And go back to like, fight with police.
Okay.
Unless, one or two might.
One or
That one or
You got some
two
good.
crazy.
I like to, and I need a couple of friends like.
Everybody needs a couple.
Yeah, but no, I usually do. Like, I'm just there. We don't need.
Your Honor,
Yes.
we ready to start calling some cases. There are maybe 2 other individuals left in the breakout rooms. I'm waiting on offers for them. Ms. White, how did you get out of the breakout room?
Oh, I didn't know whether to come back or to stay in there. I
Yes,
was in
stay in
there.
there, please. We're not quite done wrangling over your cases. So if you can go back to the breakout room,
Okay.
thank you.
Attorney Boston, check your
Yeah.
email. You should have all the offers.
Yes, I did get all of those, except for a couple of adjustments that I asked for Mr. Goss, and I sent him a text message regarding those. I'm sure by the time we get through this,
Okay. Let's see, what is your address, sir? So not. Breakout. Okay, that is not the address we have on file.
All right. And with Mr., just so you know, with Mr. Sheldon Williams, he was supposed to have retained counsel, and I brought him back today to make sure that counsel had contacted him. I'm not sure that she has. He has a bench trial scheduled in December. So,
okay.
but okay, let me start doing some people in the waiting room.
What is it? That's.
Could somebody make me co-host? I can't see the names of the people that are in the breakout. I don't know exactly who I have left.
Quite a few folks. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Christopher Watson.
At 8:45.
Christopher Watson.
I'm here. You know, working out this little computer stuff. I can't come see y'all in person no more. So
It's a little hard sometimes. Now calling the matter of People versus Christopher Maurice Watson Sr. This is ticket number P1213545. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record, please.
Christopher Maurice Watson Sr.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Watson. Thank you for your patience today. Your Honor, the defendant is here for a show cause. He inadvertently missed his last court date. He's here though now and asks that the court accept a not guilty plea from him, and he'd like a pretrial date, please and thank you.
Yes. All right. Okay, sir, I'm gonna give you a pretrial date on the date of this January 3rd, 2023, 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, and it's gonna be via Zoom still, sir, okay?
Okay.
All right. Remember that, but we're in court too, Mr. Watson, so we shouldn't really be leaning back and we can see the whole room, just so you know. All right, you gotta be mindful of these things, okay, when you're on I know you can't really see what we can see, but I can see it all, okay,
You
Mr.
see it
Watson?
all. I can't see it all. See it all.
All right, sir. I'll see you back January 3rd, 2023 via Zoom at 8:30 a.m., okay, sir?
I see you there.
All right, have a good day, sir.
Happy holidays and all that.
All right, thank you so much. D'Angelo Wallace. D'Angelo Wallace. D'Angelo Wallace.
Yes, how you doing? Can you give me 2 seconds so I go and park my high-low real quick?
Yes. Princess Warren, I'll come back to you, Mr. Wallace. Just get to where you need to go, and I'll come right back to you. Princess Warren.
Yes, just a second, sorry.
I don't know why I can't see your face.
I was in the middle of getting dressed, just a second. Sorry about that.
I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. We'll call you a little later. I say Withers.
Yes.
All right, let me call your man.
Hello?
Hello. 1 second, Mr. Wallace. I'm gonna call somebody else. You get to where you're going because I'm gonna have you stand still, okay? All right. Mr.
Okay.
Winters, now calling the matter of the people versus Shantae Withers. This is ticket number P1219009. One count open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Shantae Withers.
Consult my notes. Oh, the defendant is here for show cause. So we're asking that a no, not guilty plea be entered for her for today's purposes, and we would like, please and thank you, a waiver trial by way of Zoom, waiver trial date. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can you please raise your right hand? And it's dark. Do you have some lights? Or no?
I'm in light.
Are you in your bed?
Yes.
All right, this is court, Ms. Withers, so I'm gonna just instruct you. When we have the trial, you don't want to be in bed, okay?
Okay.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
That was who I was just talking to?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And he's informing me you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set a court bench trial on the date of January 11th. January 11th of 2023. It's going to be at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, and it will be via Zoom. So make sure you're ready for court that day, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Will you guys send
All
out
right.
another card, like the same card that y'all
Yep,
sent me?
they're gonna send you out a card, okay?
Okay.
January 11th. January 11th, so put it in your phone when you get off, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you then, ma'am, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mr. Wallace?
Yes, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus D'Angelo Wallace. This is ticket number P1222800. One count disregard signal red or amber. Also calling ticket number P1222801. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3,
Judge. Judge, I'm sorry, it froze up and I didn't get the case numbers.
Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus D'Angelo Wallace. This is ticket P1222800. One count disregard signal red or amber. Ticket number P1222801. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while licensed not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with House Counsel, please. Attorney Bowman.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
D'Angelo Wallace.
Good morning, Mr. Wallace. Thank you for your patience. Judge, the defendant is in possession of compliance documents. He's just not able to display those today, so we're just asking for our next best action date, a pretrial, please, and thank you. And he's not guilty for purpose of arraignment.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf. I also have some other cases. Case number SP1362705, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Count 2, drove while license suspended. And count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Those were not scheduled on my docket until 2022. That date is actually not a good date for the court, so I'm going to move them today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
So, because you just said I do got court November 7th. Is that the one you talking about?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, but I need a different date, so give me one moment, okay, Mr. Wallace?
Okay. Is the date you go give me, is it gonna be for today's issue and November 7th issue?
Yeah, yep. So I'm gonna put them all together on the same date, Mr. Wallace, so you don't have to come back multiple times, okay?
Thank you.
Does that work for you? And we can try and reach one resolution, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
It works.
Be patient for 1 second, Mr. Wallace. I'll give you until January. Is that too far away, Mr. Wallace?
No, ma'am. No, Your Honor.
I'm gonna do it January 3rd, 2023, 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Wallace, same way, via Zoom, okay?
That works. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you pause for a moment. Can you hear us now?
Yeah, I can hear you. You said January 3rd.
Yes, 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Is it going to be the same court room, like
Yes.
number, the Zoom number? Okay.
Everything's the same, okay, Mr. Wallace?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'll see you then, okay? And we have your documents, make sure you have all your documents then, and we'll try and work out the other case too, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, have a good day.
You too.
All right, I will, thank you. Now, we have a slew of people on the screen. Did you talk to these folks?
We're ready on Mary Wilbur.
Okay. Ms. Wilbur, can you unmute yourself?
I'm unmuted, Your Honor.
Trying to get rid of it.
Can I get the SOS
All right, can you
code?
turn on your camera for me, please? All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Mary Wilbur. This is ticket number SP 136820 count 1 expired plate. SP 13682031 drove while license suspended. Count, nope. SP 13682022 one count no valid registration certificate. SP 13682023 one count no proof of insurance. And then ticket number SP 1255609 count 1 drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2 no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3 drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Mary Malachi Wilbur.
Thank you, Ms. Wilbur, for your patience this morning. Would indicate to the court that Ms. Wilbur and I have spoken about her matters. She's going to enter into a plea of guilty and or responsible here today. There are a number of matters that are being dismissed here according to the recommendation, and I'm stipulating the probable cause to those that are being dismissed. Thank you.
Is that right, Ms. Wilbur? You want to take advantage of the offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of September 28th of 2021. Were you in the area of Josephine Streets and Oakland Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you driving while your license was suspended at the time, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, and a reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis on the date of June 28th, 2022, in the area of 7 Mile and Hall Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Wilbur was driving a Chevy vehicle and it did have expired plate. Satisfied, Attorney Baughman?
I am satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you, and would stipulate the probable cause. I would stipulate to the facts contained on the face of the civil infraction.
Are you stipulating to probable cause for the remaining counts as well?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display on ticket ending in 5609, and I'm going to enter in a count of expired plates. Ma'am, the fine for expired plates is $145. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infraction. Is that enough time for you?
For 150, you said? 140.
145, yeah.
Is it possible to get a 30 days for that?
I'm gonna make that due 11/18/2022. Okay, that gives you a month.
Okay.
All right. Ms. Wilbur, what's your financial situation right now?
Well, I'm not working right now. I'm trying to get in with the Detroit at work to possibly train for a work at home job. I've been battling some health issues.
All right, I'm gonna waive your cost and fines on your other ticket, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, just pay that one ticket. You may have some reinstatement fees. I'm not waiving those. I can't. They're for the Secretary of State's office, but just pay the $145 in a month if you can, okay, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you for your patience this morning, okay? And good luck
All
to
right.
you.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome, okay?
All right. Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Ready on Demetrius Williams, Your Honor.
Demetrius Williams, press start. Oh, no, not start. All right, there you go. Can you turn on your camera again? You know how to do that? Mr. Williams?
Yes. I don't know
There
how.
you go.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. You're there. I got you, sir. Just hold tight. Be still and have a seat, okay? All right. Now following the matter of the people versus Demetrius Williams. This is ticket 285194. One count provide false info to police officer. Ticket number P1236651. One count disregard traffic control device. And ticket number P1236652. One count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendants. Sir, state your full name for the record.
Demetrius D'Angelo Williams.
Thank you. Judge, my client is here for show cause, so we want to plead not guilty and indicate that he missed his last court date inadvertently for the arraignment purposes. And then there's been a recommendation by Corporation Counsel. The defendant is going to waive rights here and now in order to plead guilty, Your Honor. Thank you.
Is that right, sir? You want to take advantage of this offer today?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney? That would have been Mr. Bachman, who was just speaking about your case and about your rights.
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
Oh, man.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes. I think so.
What's your concern, Mr. Williams?
Yeah. What you mean by move forward? Like get down with this?
I'm gonna take a plea today. That's all I mean by move forward.
All right. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 20th of 2021. Were you in the area of Connor and Cultural Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was suspended, sir?
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulation for proper cause on the remaining counts is dismissed.
So stipulated. Thank you.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of failed to display. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60. 60. I'm gonna get it paid.
Okay, 60. All right, I'm gonna have it due no later than December 19th, 2022. Okay, sir?
All right. December 19th.
You writing that down? I appreciate that.
Yep.
Got it. Let me know. I'll repeat it to you again if you
No,
need
it's
it.
good. I got it December 19th, right?
Yes, sir. Have that $200 paid, okay?
How would I pay for it? Like the
So you can either
same
physically
way I pay for the ticket?
Yeah, you can either physically come down to 36th District Court and pay, you can go online and pay. Now, Mr. Williams, let me tell you, you may have some reinstatement fees. Those are above and beyond this. The only thing that needs to be paid by that date and time is this $200, okay?
Okay.
All right, just so you know, okay? Have a good day.
All right. Thank you, also.
Did you talk to Michaela Womack?
Michael Womack did send me a document. I was unaware of a couple of accounts on the docket for Mr. Womack. So Mr. Womack is here. He presents with a valid driver's license. But there are 2 counts not on the docket. I believe they're civil infractions. I'm looking those up right now. I'm trying to sort that one out.
Okay, so I'll bring in Princess Warren. We'll see if she's ready for court now.
Princess Warren.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes, we're ready.
All right, now calling the matters of the people versus Princess Warren. This is ticket number P 11435579. One count driver's license never acquired. Ticket number SP 11435570. One count buried course without signal or safe observation. And ticket number SP 11435702. One count no receipt of registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Okay, please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Princess Warren.
Good morning. Thank you again for your patience. Your Honor, the prosecutor has agreed to allow the defendant to appear at a next action date, having completed the Michigan Defensive Driving course. I have advised the defendant as how to complete and receive that certificate, and we just need a next action date for pretrial, please, and thank you.
Okay, all right, ma'am. I'll have you do that. Princess Warren,
Mm-hmm.
and then you'll do the improper plate? Is that what it is?
No, I'm sorry.
There are a number of other infractions not on the docket, Your Honor. We'll be asked.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. I was looking for you. All right, ma'am, I'm gonna give you a pretrial date of January 3rd, 2023, 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal on this matter, okay?
Mm-hmm. Sounds good.
Ma'am, yeah, remember this is court, okay? You can't just say, we're taking a record of it, okay?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. All right. We'll see you back on January 3rd, 2023, 8:30 a.m., okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You as well.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
I don't know if you spoke to this person. They were doing a lot of movement, so I put them in the waiting room. Ma'am, did you speak to this gentleman, Mr. Baldwin?
I believe I did. I can't recall what his name is. Sir, can you tell us what your name is on the Samsung?
Tyron Williams.
You got cut off?
Yeah, Tyron Williams.
Were you here earlier, sir, and got cut off?
Yeah, I was here early.
Did you say Tyron Williams? Tyron Williams? Yes, I have.
Yes, we spoke, Your Honor. We're ready on that case.
Okay, fantastic. Now calling the matter of people versus Tyron Williams. This is ticket number P 11494463. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, improper plate. Ticket number P 12052273. One count, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P 1204072. One count, disregard traffic control device. And ticket number P 1210676. One count, improper plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Tyron Williams.
Judge, we are here for arraignment. We're pleading not guilty, and we're asking for a pretrial date.
All right, sir. I'm gonna have you come back on January 3rd. January 3rd, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay? All right, sir?
All right.
All right, I'll see you January 3rd, 8:30 a.m., okay, via Zoom.
All right.
All right, have a good day.
All right, you too.
I will, thank you.
So, Mr. Womack, Can you go back to the breakout room? I have something to chat with you a little about. We found a couple of other cases, so, well, I can just give it to you right here with your permission. We found a couple of other cases that they're willing to dismiss if you plead guilty here to the one misdemeanor that you're here for that is not having a valid driver's license. They'll actually reduce that to failure to display a valid driver's license that day, okay?
Yes, sir.
You willing to do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we're ready on Michael, is it Michael?
It's Michael.
Michael, we're ready on Mr. Womack. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Michael Womack. This is ticket number P10699990. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Also calling ticket number P11979914. This is one count failed to stop for a stop sign. Count 2 drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Michael Womack.
Mr. Womack is here for arraignment. So for that purpose, we'll plead not guilty, Your Honor, but we are going to waive rights and plead guilty pursuant to the recommendation. Thank you.
Is that how you want to move forward, Mr. Womack?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
If so, please raise your right hand for me, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any right that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to take you back to the date of February 26th of 2020. Were you in the area of Gratiot and Shane in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And while you were driving that vehicle, did you fail to display your operator's license to the officer who stopped you?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's right. Yes, thank you.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge or the added charge to display a valid operator's license not on person. Sir, are you currently working?
No, Your Honor.
Sir, are you looking for employment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. If I do a $200 fine, will you be able to come up with $200, sir?
For what particular ticket? Because I actually paid literally every single ticket, but I just found out recently I had to go to court and pay the ticket. So
did you pay some civil infractions?
yes, the only thing I did not pay was a parking ticket.
Okay.
When I was parked.
36.
I also have all my receipts that I paid the tickets as well.
Hold on one second. Would you pay the speeding ticket?
I paid in total four tickets. Yes, I paid the speeding ticket. I paid numerous of tickets. I do have the receipts though.
Were they all 36 district court?
Yes, you know how you go to the kiosk and search your name up and then they tell you what tickets you have to pay? I did it that way.
Okay. Did you keep a receipt on that?
Yes, ma'am.
It's looking like you ain't paid a couple of them. And if you're saying that you paid that money, you need to make sure. When did you pay it?
I paid last year and some earlier this year.
Go to the right thing.
If we have a receipt, we have to pay.
Okay. Call my clerk back with the case numbers with the receipts because it's only showing that you paid one of the tickets, okay?
Wow.
Okay, but if you have the receipts, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna waive your costs and fines, because I'm gonna just make you pay those tickets that you have in the computer system if they haven't been paid, okay?
Okay, but can I also show the receipt if I did pay it?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
So if you
thank you, Your
paid it,
Honor.
we're gonna try and figure it out. I'm gonna give you a courtroom phone number. My clerk is gonna help you out with call after 12. After 12, okay?
Yes,
313
313
965
965
2293.
2293.
All right.
So
You're
I could
all
just
set.
could I just take a picture and send it to that number, or how did that work, Your Honor?
Call. You're gonna have to call, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna have to describe what you have, and we'll figure out if you need to physically come down here and show somebody or figure out what happened, okay, Mr. Womack?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You as well. Thank you, Mr. Bachman.
All right, he went to go talk to some other people, but I'll let him know you said thank you, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. You have a great day.
You're very welcome, okay? Have a good day, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'm scared by this coat, Mr. Bachman.
I'll tell you, I gotta switch my device.
Now what?
I have to switch my device. I'm gonna move from the home theater to the tablet, if that's okay, Your Honor.
That's okay.
Okay, stand by. I'll be right back. I'm gonna leave off this meeting and come right back.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wow.
Hey, Attorney Cole, how are you doing?
Good morning, or is it afternoon? Good morning. I was looking for Attorney Boffman.
He is in here. Give him a second.
Okay, sure.
He
Does
signed
he?
you off and has to sign it to another device.
Oh, we're getting a new judge?
Yes, we are. Hello, Paula.
Congratulations.
This is Judge Kennedy.
Oh, from the law department. Yeah.
There you go. Were you with the law department at some time? At some point?
Yeah, I left in, well, I'm ancient.
No, I've seen your name on some documents.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
That could be, yes, I left in 2014.
That's when I started.
I was gonna say, that's when you all were born.
No, I think I took some of your cases over or something like that. I started in 2014, so.
Okay, I will, you know what, I'll respond to his text. He just sent me a text.
Okay. Oh.
Hello, can you hear me?
Attorney Bothman, can we go into a breakout room
Absolutely, yes.
on that Wilson matter?
Do you want to meet with the defendant? She's in, I'll be happy for you to talk to her if you want. She's in room, she's in room 15. Can you go there?
You said 15?
15, please.
Sure.
Sure, somebody else just changed their name. Can't hear them, so ain't nobody in the room. When we close it down, we'll find out. It's not too quiet.
same thing I text my kids. You know what text. That's all. I had that and I'm barred. But you know what that does? I mean, you're at home just
Picking up and grabbing.
yeah, somebody's like,
It was down.
you know.
Think so. I wanted to see, but I really ain't gonna do it for you. We both be hungry. I want a chicken with you.
And then 30 minutes later, I was like, oh my God, I have to eat this.
Who said that orange chicken? Like she loves the orange chicken.
From where?
Work time.
Oh.
Judge? Judge? Judge Taylor?
Yes,
Can I step away from the computer for about 2 minutes?
yes.
All right. Okay, I'm back, Judge. Thank you.
Of course, anytime. All right, are we ready on Diamond Wilson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ready.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Diamond Wilson. This is ticket number P983285, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, fraudulent false insurance information. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P31888.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Diamond Wilson.
All right.
Judge, my client is going to waive any rights to any further hearings or trials. She's going to plead guilty pursuant to a recommendation.
And what's the recommendation as of today?
That you would plead guilty here to providing false proof of insurance, and the other count, which I believe is count 1, would be dismissed here on my stipulation of probable cause, which I give here and now. Thank you.
All right. If that's the case, Ms. Wilson, yes.
Your Honor, just for the record, I'm sorry to interrupt you, that the people have agreed, fortunately, House Counsel let me speak with her, and I'm amenable to a 1-month delayed sentence and immediate sentencing.
And Ms. Wilson, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Wilson, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Kaufman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any right that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of April 2nd of 2019. Ma'am, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of McNichols and Cruz Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did you provide some fraudulent or some false insurance, like insurance that wasn't valid to the officer at that time?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
People are satisfied.
Thank you.
Defense is satisfied as well. Thank you, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to fraudulent false insurance information, stipulation for count 1 to be dismissed without prejudice at this time. Ma'am, this is going under what's called a 1-month delayed sentence. That means as long as you pay my fine, you get no new tickets in the next month, it's going to be dismissed, okay?
Okay.
All right, my fine is $200. So you
Okay.
have until November the 18th to have that paid, okay?
All right. Thank you so much.
You are so very welcome, Ms. Wilson. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
One question.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I come into the courts to pay that today?
Yes, you can.
Where do I go to do that? 36th District Court?
36th District Court on the main floor, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you, Ms. Wilson. Have a good day.
Miss Wilson won't have to come to court on that date as long as the fine is paid. Is that correct, Your Honor?
That's correct. If she pays it, as long as you're okay with that, we can just dismiss it.
I'm fine with that.
Okay. All right, Ms. Wilson, if you pay it before that date, and before that time, you don't have to come for that court date. We'll just dismiss it as long as you don't have any new tickets, okay?
Okay. I won't. God bless.
right.
Thank you.
You too. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Ready on anybody else, Attorney Kaufman?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I placed myself in the breakout room and couldn't figure out where I was.
Did you talk to everybody else with Attorney Kaufman?
Let me see who's left. Can somebody remake me co-host so I can't see who's left in the breakout room?
Yep, I'm gonna make you co-host.
Thank you.
We got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna bring Mr. Sheldon Williams out. I know he took himself back in.
Yeah, I had a hard time reaching him. He wasn't connected, so I actually removed him.
Yeah, he's having
Hopes
a
that
hard
he would.
time. I'm gonna try and get him out here. You deal with the 4, 5, 7, and 9. Oh, I have.
All right, I'll be right back.
Yeah, you just coming back on the 19th.
I'm gonna ask him to have the attorney contact. Okay. If I can get him out here, I might just have to go into. So I was just showing you the stamp set. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, officer bill. Okay, officer bill to bear. Yeah. I just dismissed it because legislation. This is when the address number is, that's the one that we can't find the probation. She's coming. She's coming. She's going.
Time for that. Stop the doctor.
Your Honor,
Yes,
can you hear me?
I can. Mr. Williams. We got to connect to audio. Sheldon Williams. Audio. There you go. All right. Mr. Williams. Can you hear us?
exciting. So as last Saturday, we're done with that.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Had to get back in the car, Judge.
Okay. All right, who do we have left? I know we have Mr. Williams.
I have Rondé Williams. I believe Sheldon Williams was the one who left the break. Thank you, Your Honor.
He already had another date. I was just trying to
Okay.
see if counsel came, so I just told him to come back on his bench trial.
Understood. We have Rondé Williams. We have Naya Walker, Your Honor. I've yet to receive an offer for Ms. Walker. You have Sharia Watson.
I have an offer for Nia Walker, but let's do Mr. Williams.
Okay.
Hernande Williams.
Rondé.
Rondé, thank you. Now calling matter of the people versus Rondé Williams. This is Z ticket 8070661. This is one count of operating while visibly impaired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Rondé Williams.
Have Officer Bradfield on as well from our probation department. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Gary Bradfield on behalf of the probation department.
This is the date and time set for a review in this matter. Let me look at my notes. I just said review scheduled for 10/18/2022. I know this is a 2018 case. Did we ever figure out, were we supposed to figure out if he participated in anything? If he completed anything? Where are we at with this case?
Judge, Mr. Williams was placed on probation for 18 months for operating while visibly impaired. That started on March the 8th of 2019. He was assessed $300, ordered to attend outpatient treatment, AA 3 times a week, victims impact panel, alcohol, highway safety education, dangerous driver simulation, no illegal substances, including marijuana, unless defendant receives a medical marijuana card, mental health evaluation, random urinalysis, 80 hours community service. He must pay all outstanding traffic tickets. There was a violation in the file for Mr. Williams because he failed to report to probation. He failed to make any payments at that time, and he failed to provide proof of completing the victim's impact class, alcohol, highway safety, and the community service, or AA. Mr. Williams, since that time, he did complete the victim's impact class. The court referred him to mental health court. That was July 28th of 2020. But he was not able to undergo mental health court. And because he has a medical marijuana card in the specialty court, they don't recognize those cards. And the clients need to be free of all substances that are not prescribed. Mr. Williams was not willing to stop using at that time because his medications are not worked out with the Veterans Affairs. He is a veteran. The client was not eligible to participate in mental health court. I do know Mr. Williams tested positive for cocaine during his probation. That was on February the 26th of 2020. All fines and costs have been paid in full. Mr. Williams has some unresolved conditions on this case that have not been resolved as far as the treatment in the AA meetings, as well as the community service that was originally ordered for Mr. Williams. We do not have any confirmation that he completed that. So that is in a nutshell where we are today. Mr. Williams remains in violation with this court as it relates to this file.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, we're asking respectfully if the court would consider extending the period of probation. It's disappointing that the defendant hasn't completed everything at this time. It does sound like he does have some other extrinsic issues which may or may not have kept him from appearing here with everything completed. Sounds like he's perhaps a little bit disorganized and could use some help in some other directions. But we're asking respectfully for time to complete whatever terms and conditions this court outlines today that it would seem necessary for completion of the term of probation here. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. How much time do you need to complete everything, Mr. Williams?
Respectfully, like every 2 months, Your Honor.
Okay. We're gonna come back December 19th, 2022. Hopefully you've completed everything so you can finish this. It's been a long time, Mr. Williams, but you gotta complete all the tasks that they asked you to do.
Yes, Your Honor. Can I get Officer Phil's number?
Got something to write with, sir?
May I get the number?
Yes. Do you have something to write with?
Yes.
313-965.
Yes.
3422. And can you provide your number as well, sir?
313-675. 751.
75 what?
11.
Right. I'll see everybody back December 19th, 2022 at 8:45 a.m. for a review.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a blessed evening.
You too. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. All right. Naya's offer was to plead to one count of fail to display on.
Right. And I had approached Mr. Goss, and perhaps you could entertain this request, Your Honor, because Miss Naya has never had a driver's license, Your Honor, and you will see she looks like she's about 12, 14 years old. Like she's only been eligible for a short period of time, but she's never had a license. That plea was going to keep her from getting a license. And instead of reducing those charges to failure to display, I know it has been the policy of Mr. Gillis to reduce those charges to improper plates. That way there's no abstraction and no points. Would this court consider that plea appropriate here? If so, we're ready.
It'll be expected or missing equipment. You want to do 3 counts.
That's gonna gain a 2-year suspension for the defendant because she's never had a license.
Okay. No plates. I'm just trying to see all the tickets. Sorry. Okay. Highlight. Bachman, you spoke to everybody except for who?
I spoke to every one of them. We were just waiting on offers on the matters, any of them, everybody who hasn't been heard so far.
Raji Roxon is, her offer is improper place.
Okay,
On no insurance misdemeanor. Will dismiss 2 tickets. Oh, no.
this is whom again, Your Honor?
Yeah. And the other young lady, so she's been here before. Miss White is supposed to pay some money. She is in the payment program. I
Yeah.
need to know where she is with paying her money. We can't do nothing
She's
for
not-
her till she pay her money.
She's not done with that. Can we just give her a next action date?
Now tell her it's been a year. I'm gonna bring her in and talk to her.
Thank you.
Bring it by you.
Yes.
All right, everybody, please keep yourself on mute until I call your matter. Mr. White?
Oh, wait, can y'all hear me? Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, Miss White,
Yes.
we gave you a year to pay your stuff.
Okay.
Go on.
Well, I don't have a job, but I do hair, and I run like some money I could pay today, and then I do get paid again Friday, cause I like shampoo girl and stuff for my godmom at her shop. But I know it's like 2,400, but I am on a payment plan with my other tickets with 36 District Court. And how much do I have to have today? Cause I got some money today, but I don't have a lot. But I can give y'all.
Miss White. Miss White. So this offer was written back when you started the payment plan. And apparently it was written back, it says pay civil infractions. All the ones that you put the payment plan that you had already in place by October 31st of 2021.
Okay.
What year is this, Miss White?
October 2022. That was my birthday then. I had told her at that time last year. I didn't have a job though. I just got one this year.
Miss White, it's your license. It's not my license. I want to help you. So the thing that's gonna happen is either you can take a plea, we can put a plea together. And
I could pay it. Y'all can't like put me on a payment plan. Like I put $1,000 down and then like pay like $300-400 a month because I can afford it. Like I just need some type of help. Like I can't pay it all at once, but I could pay it. Like if y'all like help me, like cause I get paid off every head I do, like $80 off each head. You know what I'm saying? Like
Miss White. So the original agreement that was offered to you was that if you took care of all those cases that you have the payment plan on, that they would dismiss these cases. So the alternative is that you can enter a plea of guilty on some of these, and then you can just have as much time as you want to be in that payment plan program that you are in right now. So the alternative was that they were trying to help you out so that you didn't have to put some additional cases by taking care of the other matters. So for me right now, it's not a matter of giving you additional money to pay. It's trying to figure out when you want to take care of this. When do you want to be a valid licensed driver in the state of Michigan? That's up to
as
you.
soon as possible. It was 2,600. It was 2,600 for all my tickets, right?
Yes.
Okay. So can I give y'all 2,000 today and then 600 Friday?
You can do it. Listen, all I'm saying is that until you pay the money, and I'm trying to figure out how long it's gonna take you, I can't do the rest of your cases because if you pay the money, they're going to dismiss these misdemeanors.
I know. That's why I'm saying. Like I could do it. I could do it. I got most of it right now. I swear to God. Like we can stick with that. I swear we can stick with that. I had a 600 Friday.
Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you a month. 1 month.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, 1 month too. So what, I go down to 36th district and what I say?
On the first floor, and your name is already highlighted for the payment plan, tell them that you need to pay on your payment plan. They know that you have a payment plan out there already. Pay on that plan, so that next time you come back to court, we can see that you took care of it, so that I can then grant the request of them to dismiss these matters.
Okay, so wait, so how do I know which ones to pay from you though? That way I make sure I pay those, because they got me on.
I didn't assess any fines or costs. You haven't pled for anything for me as of right now. All the tickets are the ones that you've had. And those are the only ones, right? The ones that she has right now. So we just need you to make payments on what you already have. I haven't added any additional fees, ma'am. I'm trying not to add additional fees.
I know,
but
I'm trying to, no, I'm not understanding. Okay, so they already got me on 12 other tickets, and then I got your tickets. They told me your tickets is separate from them tickets. So if you give me 1 month, so I go down there and tell them I got 2,600 for.
Miss White, listen, if you pay for those other tickets, then my tickets, according to this agreement, will be dismissed.
Okay.
Okay?
It's yes.
Do you understand, Miss White? I need you to repeat back to me what I just
Yes,
said.
so I can go to the kiosk too, right? Can I go to the kiosk and pay those too?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so if I take off all them tickets, you would dismiss the other cases.
That's right.
All right.
But you gotta
And
pay them, Miss White. I can't keep extending it. The next time, you're just gonna have to take a plea on some of these cases.
No, I got it.
Okay.
But them tickets is like $1,300 worth. Them not 2,600.
What, my tickets that I have?
Oh no, I'm talking about the tickets I'm already on right now, the payment plan.
Right. But it might be some reinstatement fees too. That's why we came up with that total. Just pay all the money that's out there right now, miss, that you can. Okay? Make payments on every single ticket that is in the payment fee program, and then come back to court and I'll be able to see that, and then we can move forward.
Yes, okay, I promise. Okay.
Okay. 1 month.
1 month, I'm on you, right? So November 18th.
That's right.
Okay.
18th, okay, Miss White? Take
It's the
care.
same courtroom, 336.
Yes, same
37.
That's right, 337, okay?
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you. I promise I'll make you proud. I got it. Okay.
I know you are. Just do it so I can be proud, please.
Okay, I got you.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Attorney Harris.
I'm scared to say anything. Good morning.
Morning.
Good afternoon. I apologize.
Oh, yes, good afternoon. Welcome. Welcome to 337.
I was told that you all might need me, but I don't think that you do.
I think Bachman is okay. Attorney Bachman, do you need her to jump in real quick just to be the stand-in counsel? We've handled the matters.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Your Honor. I see two of you, so good afternoon.
Honor sitting on the bench too. Good afternoon. That's Cherika Harris. This is Attorney Cherika Harris. This is Judge Christine Kennedy. She's new to 36th District Court. She started yesterday. She got sworn in last week.
Welcome, Judge Kennedy.
And I'm happy to be here. Thank you very much. Good to meet you.
Attorney Bachman might be in court. Ms. Walker, can you unmute yourself and show me your face, please? Ms. Walker, Attorney Bachman already talked to you about your case, right?
Yes.
He was just trying to work it out so that you could be able to get your license. Is that correct? You never got your license before, ma'am?
No.
Okay. All right. Attorney Harris, can you stand in for Attorney Bachman for right now?
Not a problem.
Thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Naya Walker. This is ticket number P11605542. Count 1, defective or missing equipment. Count 2, registration and/or plate violation. Ticket number P1266923. 1 count drove while license suspended. Ticket P1266373. 1 count registration and/or plate violation. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P1183335. Count 1, driver's license never required. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, registration and or plate violation. Ticket number P 11903440. One count, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number P 11605547. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, your honors. May it please this honorable court, Chair Eka Harris, P 72832. Appearing on behalf of Ms. Walker, standing in for attorney of record or house counsel of record, Mr. Boffman. Ms. Walker, could you please state your name?
Naya Walker.
It's my understanding, Ms. Walker, you want to take advantage of a plea today? Is that correct, Ms. Walker?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Walker, you had a chance to talk to attorney about your case and about your rights today. Is that correct?
Yes.
No one threatened you, promised you, or forced you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a bench or jury trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, is you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 22nd of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Puritan and Murray Hill in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving, was your license suspended, or you didn't have a license, ma'am, at all?
I didn't have a license at all. I had just found out my license got suspended when I tried to go take my driver's test 2 weeks ago. And I had paid off $100. The ticket was $288 altogether. I put down $100, and then all I owe was $188 for one of those tickets.
All right, Ms. Walker, all I needed was, yes, you knew your license was suspended, okay? It's okay, thank you for the explanation. Reading from the tickets for the remainder count that on the day of February 1st of 2021 in the area of Joey Road and Granville in the city of Detroit, Ms. Walker was driving a Jeep that had defective or missing equipment, as well as registration and or plate violation. Also on the date of October the 22nd of 2021 in that Puritan and Murray Hill area, while she was driving a Dodge, she did have registration or plate violation. Satisfied, attorney Harris?
Satisfied, your honor.
All right, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, your honor.
So the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on the drove while license suspended. The other civil infractions are going to be as charged, ma'am. The cost for defective equipment is $120. Registration and the plate violation. I think. Yeah. Make these and registration come in. Read it. You had some late fees on here, so I'm trying to get those removed and tell you the total.
Okay.
Five, 2, 15, this other one, 17. All right. You owe a lot. One of the tickets is 170. But how can they be different when they, like these two the same, right? So that's supposed to be that standard. I don't know why it's reinstated.
The other one was 215 because she had reinstated. This total actual cost was that.
Okay, cost of 130. Okay. So we got 170 on one of them. 215, and then. The second one is a play. 165. So some of these, I took off the late fees and costs, okay, on some of them. One of them has a reinstatement fee though, Ms. Walker, and that's why it's so high, okay?
Mhm.
All right. So we got 170, 165, and 215. Now, civil infractions, I usually do 14 days after you take the plea. Is that gonna be enough time for you to come up with that money, ma'am?
Yeah.
If it's not, I'll give you some more time.
Well, yeah, I need some more time.
How much time do you need, ma'am?
At least a month.
Okay, you need more time than that, or is a month enough?
2 months. You give me 2 months.
All right, 15 till December 19th, okay, 2022, okay? All right, to have that paid, I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on the last ticket, okay? Because that's enough in civil infraction fees, okay? The remaining tickets will be dismissed today.
Okay.
Have a call on record, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Good luck to you, Ms. Walker.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Ms. Watson, press *6 on your phone, please.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes,
Did the
ma'am.
attorney talk to you already or no?
I'm sorry, can you repeat it?
I said, did the attorney talk to you already?
Yes, he said that he was working on trying to get some things thrown out for me. I had paid my cash bonds already. And I do have a driver's license now.
Do you have a driver's license or you don't?
I do.
Do you have insurance?
It just canceled out because I had lost my job, but I'm working to get it back.
All right, the offer today is improper plates. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Did you want to move forward on that or no, ma'am?
Yes, we can move forward.
Did you want to talk to attorney real quick about that? I do have one here.
Yes, please.
Okay, Attorney Harris, I'm gonna put you into a breakout room so that you can talk to her. It's gonna return her to room 7, so I'll just put you in there, okay?
Okay, my question, Your Honor, how many other cases does she have?
So she has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 open cases, 1 case to improper plates. The cases are no insurance, drove our license not valid, no insurance, drove our license suspended, no insurance.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
We're ready, Your Honor.
Ms. Watson, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of, before I call it, ma'am, pronounce your first name. Is it Sheree?
It's Sadria.
Sadria, okay. Now calling the
Yes,
matter of
ma'am.
people versus Sergia Watson, sorry. Ticket number P940252, one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket P1115911, count 2, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket or case number SP84173111, drive while license suspended. Count 2 of that ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Watson. Ms. Watson, please state your name for the record.
Sadria Watson.
Your Honor, it's my understanding Ms. Watson has been advised of her rights. It's my understanding she's waiving her right to trial and entering a plea pursuant to the recommendation.
All right, is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Watson, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna take your attention, ma'am, back to the date of August the 8th of 2017. At that time, did you own a Jeep vehicle and drove it in the area of East Grand Boulevard and Theodore Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving it, did you not have any car insurance on your vehicle at the time?
No, ma'am.
All right, counsel satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plate. All other counts are to be dismissed. Now, ma'am, you recently said that you lost your job. Did you get your job back yet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but how long have you been out of work?
I just started working like 2 weeks ago.
So if I gave you a $200 fine, but I gave you 90 days to pay, would that be enough time?
And Your Honor,
Yes.
on her behalf, we would respectfully request that any bond that she posted be applied. I think she indicated that she posted bonds in these matters.
Yes.
Did you,
Yes, ma'am.
How much did you?
Yes,
post
ma'am. I
the
paid a total of $800 in bonds.
Oh, wow. I'm gonna charge you a fine of $200. And then any remaining bond money, that doesn't pay for costs and fines outside of this. Now, they may take some of that so they can pay your reinstatement fees, but anything above and beyond that, it should be returned to the defendant, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna have a supply $200 worth of your bond money to this, okay?
You said how much? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
$200,
Okay, that's fine.
okay? And then
Yes.
if you have reinstatement fees, they'll usually take those out too. And then you'll be all set, okay?
Okay. Well,
All right.
will you tell me how much it is all in total so I can know if I would have anything left over?
Okay, so that's 90,000 right here. Okay. All right. So it looks like. That's 45. Okay. So it looks like it's gonna be about 5 reinstatement fees. So that's 225, I think. That's 125. My bad. Nope, that's not right. It's 225. 225. Then my fine, $200. And it looks like you have an open case from a while ago that you owe like $200. All right. So it's probably gonna pay for that. So you should be getting some money back. I don't want to say an exact number because I don't know. When you go to the cashiers, I would advise you to come in, go to the cashiers and tell them that you want your bond applied to my fine. And then they'll be able to tell you how much you're getting back, okay? After they pay for all your costs.
Okay. Okay, will I be able to come down there today?
Yes. Yes, you can.
Okay. Okay, cool. I'm on my way down there now then.
Okay, Ms. Watson, remember always, when your urgency doesn't become our emergency, but we're gonna do this, okay? Because sometimes you gotta be a
Yes,
little patient.
ma'am.
Gotta remember that, okay? That's why it's important to take care of stuff as they happen and not wait for some years. Now, I'm gonna give you some little slack for some of these, but the 2017, that's why I'm saying this, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Watson, you have a great day. We'll see you down here soon, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. All right, that concludes this docket.